Tonight is the night that I don't have a live stream for straight 3 days now. I was busy looking for a job, and yet here I am making a video so that to update you all for not showing up on everyday live for every night live, but hopefully I can go live stream again. Thank you so much for all of you, my supporters, subscribers in YouTube channel, and also good luck to those who are new to this journey, and may God bless us all. And also uh, hopefully hopefully ano na mag mag ano ba mag success na yung ating mga account. Sa ngayon lang ako busy lang talaga at hindi ako nakakapag-live, kaya eto nag-update to everyone. And again, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day, have a great night. Thank you again. Maanyag is signing off, and see you on my next live. Hopefully maka-live na ako mga weekend or next week straight. See, I'm so busy. Nabu-burn out na ako sa paghanap ng mga part-times, mga work na kahit short hours lang. Kasi matinding pangangailangan. But anyway, thank you so much. Ano lang kasi to, libangan lang yung YT. Hindi naman tayo sikat na magkakaroon ng sahod diretso. Ang liit lang ng income dito, kitaan kung hindi ka sikat. At saka hindi naman sa negative thinking, but I'm looking onto the brighter perspective naman, and sana we'll do the mag-succeed din tayo dito sa pagwa-YT kahit papaano, basta ang ating mga account ay atin pa rin i-manage, ihahandle ng mabuti. Pasensya na kayo sa aking Tagalog na hindi ako masyadong makakapagsalita ng straight or yung mga grammars ko, kasi hindi ako sanay mag-speak ng Tagalog. I always speak Bisaya or Cebuano language. That's why when I'm having a hard time speaking it, I just talk in Cebuano language or just in English language. And again, thank you so much everyone. Dito lang ako si Maanyag. Thank you so much and see you soon.